If you're tired of choosing between a cheap phone that lags and a flagship that costs a month's rent, the Google 10A has arrived. This phone has the G4 Tensor chip in it, which is the same chip that's in the top flight models, but you're getting this one for about half the price. So from the beginning, 3 things that I noticed. Number 1, the camera lenses on the back are flush mounted, as you can see. Unlike a lot of cameras where they're bumped out and you got to have the case and you can't sit them flat on the desk, this one you can do. And keep in mind, this has the 48 megapixel camera plus the camera coach. So the same quality of pictures that you would get from the big cameras, the big phones, you'll now get from this. Second thing I've noticed about this phone, while it does have a little weight to it, the back is plastic. And you might say that's a bad thing, but you know what? You can't shatter plastic. So if you drop it, you're not going to be messing up the back and having to get that replaced. With the cameras flush, you're also not going to crack those lenses out. The side frame itself is all aluminum, and on the front, it's got the Gorilla Glass 7i on it. So it's going to be extremely difficult to crack this glass. And as a final thing on this, the IP68 water resistance rating means it's going to resist water and dust to keep your camera, everything inside, running just fine. Finally, the third thing I like is the battery. They've updated this battery now to a 5100 milliamp battery, which is going to give you, on average, 30 hours of work life. And they do send you with a USB Type-C cable, but no charging brick. This cable, this phone will charge up to 45 watts, which is another upgrade on the Google system. But you will have to get your own brick. For the tech specs, this phone runs on Android 16 operating system. It has 8 gigs of RAM installed. It is the Google Tensor G4, 3.1 gigahertz processor speed, and it does have a memory storage capacity of 128 gigabytes. So, if you're interested in this phone, this is going to be all the fun, all the tech, all the Google Workspace ecosystem that you could possibly want without all the bloat already loaded on the phone, in a durable case at half the price of your normal flagship phones.